So it's good to have one of these guys around. That's our local pet carpet snake. Keeps all the mice problem down. He's just been sleeping there for winter. He's alive. He's quite welcome. Over here we have our dog. She's a good dog. I was just on my way to the toilet and I got stung on the top of my head. What the? So I had a look around and I noticed this. These guys are really, really nasty, hey? That's massive, and that's only just appeared. As the wind's blowing towards the dog, she won't mind. So, I got this flying insect killer. Let's just see if I can spray them. I'll zoom in. I do risk getting stung here. They're gonna go berserk. Oh shit. Oh, here goes nothing. That's a European wasp. Oh, watch him drop. Oh, there they go. Oh, there they go. Oh, there they go. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Ah, shit, one's crawling on my foot. Oh, that freaking hurt. Hey. Is he trying to sting himself? Can anybody identify that positively? The second phase is to actually knock the nest off. That's upside down. That's actually the way that it... That's what it looks like there. I'm rubbing it. No wonder that I got stung through my sock before.